Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle of anxiety that seems impossible to break? Imagine if, in 100 days, you could transform your mind and body, conquering this internal battle with daily discipline and effort. In this video, I'll show you how I took on an extreme challenge inspired by David Goggins' method to destroy anxiety in my life and become a new version of myself. Transforming anxiety isn't easy, but with commitment and the right techniques, it's possible to radically change your relationship with fear and stress. Get ready for an intense journey, full of ups and downs, that will inspire you to take the first step toward emotional freedom. If you're tired of feeling like a prisoner to anxiety, stay with me until the end and discover how daily discipline can be the key to your transformation. 100 Days Facing Anxiety with Discipline. I decided to challenge myself to follow a strict routine for 100 days, inspired by David Goggins' training, known for his physical and mental endurance. But instead of focusing only on the body, my goal was to confront the anxiety that dominated me, using daily techniques to strengthen my mind and spirit. Each day was a battle against fatigue, doubt, and fear, but also an opportunity to prove I could go beyond my limits. Discipline became my greatest ally, even when everything inside me begged to give up. I'll share with you the toughest moments and the small victories that kept me going on this path. Challenges faced: anxiety, fatigue, and setbacks. Not everything was easy on this journey. There were days when anxiety felt stronger, the body tired, and the urge to quit almost won. I felt the weight of accumulated stress, emotional setbacks, and difficulty maintaining focus. But I learned that overcoming isn't the absence of difficulty, but the persistence to continue even when everything seems against you. Every setback was a lesson, every moment of weakness an invitation to rise stronger. This part of the journey is essential to understand that real transformation requires courage and resilience. Techniques and strategies used to overcome anxiety. To face anxiety, I adopted daily practices combining intense physical exercise, meditation, conscious breathing, and balanced nutrition. Physical training helped release accumulated tension, while meditation and breathing connected me to the present, slowing down the racing mind. I also set small, achievable goals to maintain motivation and used journaling to track my progress and challenges. This combination of body and mind was essential to create a positive cycle of transformation. I'll detail how each technique contributed to my evolution and how you can apply them in your daily life. 5. Results achieved: physical and mental transformation. After 100 days, the results were visible and profound. My body was stronger and healthier, but the biggest impact was on my mind. Anxiety lost ground, making way for a sense of control and inner peace. I learned to handle stress more balancedly, recognize triggers, and respond with calm and clarity. Daily discipline built a solid foundation to maintain this new version of myself. I share these results to show that change is possible, even when it seems distant. 6. Final message and call to action. If you're struggling with anxiety, know that you're not alone and that transformation is possible with discipline and commitment. Start small, choose a technique that resonates with you, and stay focused, even on tough days. If you liked this video, leave a like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe to the channel to follow this journey of overcoming. Together, we can build a strong and resilient community. And don't miss the next video, where I'll share a detailed protocol for you to start your own transformation in 7 days.